Dr. Ran Anbar. How do we help our patients with hypnosis? We can teach them to become calmer. We can use metaphors to help them solve their problems. But what if their symptom is a solution to something? How do we find out what it's solving? Classically, we would use idiomotor exploration to find out the subconscious reasons for the symptoms. But what if the subconscious could just tell us what's going on? Wouldn't it be great if patients could improve by implementing a suggestion that their subconscious gave? And how do we weave spirituality into the therapy of our patients using insights they may have gained from their own inner selves? All this is possible. I would love to tell you more about it at the ASH annual meeting next March. I'm excited to invite you to enroll in my workshop about making the subconscious your co-therapist. See you in Reno.